As I told you, this is the third session of the explanation of the soil, and let us continue with the five major types of soil. So let us see one by one. The first one is the coarse soil. Now what is coarse soil? Coarse means it is not a total powdered form. It will have some granules of sand, some rock particles in it. A mixture of all is a coarse soil. So you can actually see how it looks. This is a coarse soil where you can see a mixture of powder and rock particles and big granules and sand particles. Now this coarse soil, how it is formed? It is formed because of weathering, that is washing away of rocks, and it is formed because of low rainfall. This soil can be found in the hilltops of the western part of the plateaus. Now which are the plateaus? Hilltops means the top of the hills. So which are the plateaus? Ajanta, Balaghat and Mahadev hills. So where is this coarse soil found? On the hilltops of the western part of the plateau. Now in this coarse soil, the proportion of humus is negligible in the soil. I already told you in the previous session what is humus. Humus is the top layer of soil which is really fertile, very good in nutrition. But this humus is not present in the coarse soil. Riga or black soil. This is another type of soil. It is found in areas of medium rainfall, in the valleys and alluvial plains of river basins. So wherever you will have the river basins, there you will see the Riga soil or the black soil. Now this black soil is also of two types. One is the dark black soil and another is the medium black soil. Dark black soil is found in the western parts of the Deccan Plateau. Medium black soil is found in the eastern part, that is Vidarbha. Though it is a black in color, proportion of organic components is little less in this soil. Which one? Medium black soil. Now the third soil is the laterite soil. This type of soil is found in the coastal belt of Konkan region. Of course, those are living in Mumbai, you will see the soil which is there in Mumbai, also in the Konkan parts. The reddish orange color will be there of the soil. So which is this soil? It is a laterite soil. To the west of Sahyadris and in the eastern part of Vidarbha. In the areas where there will be very heavy rainfall, so what will happen to the rock over there? The rocks will be slowly washed away. The rocks get eroded in a larger quantity, leaving the parent rock open. The parent rock is because it is washed away. Now this parent rock which is open, it will have some minerals in that. Example, now you can see on the screen here, this is one of the parent rock. So this parent rock, the main rock, is open now because it is washed away, eroded. So this parent rock will have minerals, and one of the mineral is iron. Iron means lokhand. And any vessel which is there in your house which is made up of iron, lokhand, what happens to that? क्या लगता है उसको? अगर उसको ऐसे ओपन में रखो, what happens? It reacts with the oxygen in the air and there will be jung लगता है ना, रस लगता है उसको. Similarly here also, the iron in the rock reacts with the oxygen in the air and causes chemical reaction. So what happens to the rocks over here, rock particles? It will give rise to reddish orange color. So soil will have the reddish orange color, and the soil which is formed will be a laterite type of soil. Next is the alluvial soil of the coastal strip. Now near the coast, rivers in the Konkan region are short and they flow with a great speed. So when they flow with a great speed, alluvium gets deposited at the mouth of the river. Alluvium is the we can say solid particles which are there, the silt which is being deposited. It is deposited at the mouth of the rivers. This soil is found in the areas around Panvel Uran coast or Dharmamtir Creek, which is there in Ratnagiri district. Yellow brown soil. Now this type of soil which is there, it is found in areas of extreme rainfall, and this soil is not very fertile. It is also not useful for agriculture because mainly it is found in Chandrapur, eastern parts of Bhandara and Sahyadri mountains. So we already studied now the 5 major type of soil, and there is an experiment ahead. So try this. Make two small heaps of soil. On one of them, sow a fast growing seed. Now, which will be the fast growing seed? It can be your mustard seed, rye, or it can be moong, it can be your matki, or it can be wheat also. It will grow. Now, what you have to do? One of them, sow a fast growing seed in one of the heap. Keep watering that heap for 4 to 9 days. Water both the heaps with a watering can. And what can you observe now? Yes, you must be thinking, of course. You will observe that in the heap where the seed is sown, it has sprouted and it has grown into a sapling. And when you water, the soil is not eroding, it is not washed away. But the first heap where you can see only soil, the entire soil will be washed away because there are no plants in it. You know why? Here, plants are very important. So when the plants grow into the soil, the roots of the plant hold the soil and the soil is not washed away. The soil erosion is not taking place. So what we learned from this experiment is we need to plant trees because the roots of the plant holds the soil from getting washed away. So soil erosion and degradation. What happens? I will continue about soil erosion and degradation in the next video. Thank you.